Okay, this is a view from the seat of the excavator. We see a trail that I've initially built into the property. Let's walk in a little bit, see what's going on here. Okay, so this is just a rough road at this point in time. Clear out the brush that makes it difficult to walk through, be able to walk the excavator in. We'll be working on cleaning this road up, making it much more accessible. We've at least got some access. All right, so as we come up here, we look into the brush that we have all throughout the property. But if we continue on, things become a little more interesting. As we walk into the brush a bit, we look, you might be able to start to see over here, there's a tarp and camo netting. So somebody, there's a green box right there. That's actually one I placed here, but you can see the sloop of the camo netting. And what this is an abandoned campsite of somebody we think used to live here. So again, you can see the camo netting, some of the tarp, etc. So this was kind of an interesting find. We knew about it before we bought the property that this was here, but of course we bought it anyway. But the plan for today is to build a road down to. All right, back on the excavator, done a little more clearing. You can see this is kind of where I walked to before. Always make sure your chainsaw is brightly colored so you don't run it over by mistake. All right, so we've come in here and I've started to open up. And this is the path. We're going to head right down, right through here to that campsite. So this is kind of an intermediate video of where we're at. So I'm going to start removing this lighter brush. I'll come in. I'll go ahead and I'll use the chainsaw to cut up this because it's big enough wood that it's worth saving for firewood later. So I'll cut that, stack that, and then I'll come back and finish clearing. I'll pull the stump out and all that kind of stuff. Unfortunately, since I'm filming this on a cell phone, I can't give you action videos because both my hands and feet are generally busy. Okay, another little update. So here is the view now without the tree. You can see a bunch of logs and stuff I've cut up. So I've got the tree out and mostly bucked up. Got the stumps cut out. The stump is over there on that brush pile there. And so it's lunchtime. I'm going to take a break, get some water. But we're just about to We're about to begin the final assault. You might be able to see just right off to the corner back here is where the tarp is, and we're going to be getting into that here shortly. All we got to do is get rid of this scrubby stuff there, and then we're there. And poof, a couple of slashes with the chainsaw, a few movements with the excavator, and we now have our path down to visit our mystery campsite. So see what we got. Machine and explore. Okay, let's go ahead and let's explore, see exactly what we got. We have a zip tie to the tree. You notice the tree is not really grown around the zip tie, so it hasn't been there that long. Okay, so we come, look some more at our camo netting. Some paracord used to pull a tree back. There's the cut, which isn't brand new, but isn't super old. Again, the tree's not growing around the paracord, so that means it hasn't been here super long. All right, we have ridge line going up there. Probably can't see, probably too bright into the sun, but there it is, attached off with a quick release hitch. Okay, and this other side here, we follow it up, and looks like a trucker's hitch around. That's not paracord, that's regular nylon braid. Again, low quality of netting and polypro tarps. They don't last very long. Here we have, again, this is zip tied off to the trees with no growth. Yeah, this is not an old camp. This could have been a poacher's camp. Maybe somebody came here and was poaching, set up a camp. Alright. Yeah, another zip tie. Alright, that's all the evidence I have of the camp. Again, that green box is something I moved here, so that's not part of that. All right, well, let's rock and roll. So the campsite is now no more. The excavator posed in its victory stance, confidently sitting on top of the ruins of its enemy, which it ruthlessly smote upon this ground.